we've got something new on the block for you guys. This is our first ever maiden edition 2025 YouTube video, so stay with me on this house tour. This property is a 5-bedroom fully detached duplex sitting on approximately 350 square meter piece of land. This is amazing. This property can take at least 4 cars conveniently. That's the security house. We have other features inside I'd like you to check out, so come with me. This is the living area. Very spacious, very minimal, enough room for you to create your own ideas. And then we have this beautiful TV console right here, and it has this storage spaces underneath it. And we also have perfect window sizes for enough air, especially in this season where there's mad heat. Look at the window size. Take a look at the other one too. Perfect size, big enough. This kitchen originally was an open plan, but I think a lot of people had like a weird idea about that, so they had to cover it up. So this is the kitchen. It has the oven and the microwave. It also comes with a gas cooker right here, and then a heat absorber right on top, and a few more storage spaces, and a space for your refrigerator right there. We also have the back door, as you can see right there. So this property, this particular unit, still undergoing certain fixtures, like they're doing certain finishing touches. Take a look at this corner of this house. There's a lot you can do with this. It's my interior decorator. Here's your time to shine. And then we have one of the rooms here. This is the guest room. It also comes with a TV console, fully en suite, a wardrobe, and a mirror at that corner. And then it has this very beautiful sink right here. They're still doing a few fixtures around there. On this video, one thing I'm not going to do is talk too much, so that you guys can experience the beauty of this house with me. Let's head upstairs. Please do not mind the ladder. Like I said, they are still doing a few finishing touch on the property. And it also has a family lounge right here with a balcony. Amazing. We have 2 rooms, one here and one on the side. Check it out. These rooms are all sizable, built to perfection. Your bed, no matter the size, can stick or fit into any of the rooms. And it comes fully furnished, fully fitted, not fully furnished, fully fitted. So let's check out the masters, guys. This is the masters. Has a TV console, bigger wardrobe size, bigger toilet, and more wardrobe, and also a side mirror right at that corner. And one thing I mostly love about this property is the size of the window. Bro, heat day. Check me out at the sweat. Guy, they have you in mind. The developers of this property have you in mind. Look at the size of this window. It can grasp as much air as possible. Have you seen the toilets? Amazing, beautiful stuff. I think it should allow you to enjoy the view of this property yourself. And you, be the judge.